Before you buy any stock in Nigeria, you need one powerful thing. That is your clearinghouse number, CHN. Ever heard of this? Think of it as your BVN, but for the stock market. Without it, your shares might not even be in your name. That is, your stockbroker may buy your shares, but not registered in your name. Yeah, that's possible. Today, I'll show you in simple language what a clearinghouse number is, why it's your stock market ID card, how to get one fast, and how it protects you even if your broker vanishes. Let's dive in. So this week in our Fooby finance community, someone came up with this question: what is a CHN number and why is it relevant? How can I get mine if my broker liquidates? A clearinghouse number, as we would refer to it in this video, is simply your unique ID in the Nigerian stock market. It's given to you by the CSCS, Central Security Clearing System, if you don't know what that means. It is being populated once you open a stockbroking account. Anytime you buy or sell shares, the system uses the CHN to recognize you. So without it, your stock may end up under your broker's name or whoever purchased it for you, not yours. See how dangerous that could be. Imagine buying a land, but the document is in your agent's name, not yours. How risky, right? That is exactly what happens without a CHN. Now, why do you need a CHN? With a CHN, your shares are directly tied to your name. No matter what happens to your broker, your investments remain safe. And without it, you can't properly trade stocks. Shares may be in your broker's name, not yours. Tracking your investment is harder. Dividends and transfers become stressful. In short, your CHN is your recognized face in the stock market. Without it, it's like attending an exam without your name on the answer sheet. Hi, if you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Funke Odode. I'm the founder of Fooby Finance. I'm an economist, I'm a business analyst, and most people don't know, but I'm a risk asset banker. If you have not joined the Fooby Finance community, it is free. People of like minds talk about money making, investing, and growth together. Join us. We'll be happy to have you. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing links to this topic I'm dissecting. So do well to watch to the end. Now, how to get a CHN step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is to choose a licensed broker. I'll just mention a few in this video, but then there are more out there. Meristem, CSL, ARM, Coronation, First Registrar, Stanbic IBTC, a lot of you know that, CardinalStone, a lot more. When you've chosen your broker, fill the CSCS account opening form. It's like opening a bank account. Provide your full name, your BVN, your bank detail, that is for your dividend. Passport photograph and ID could be international passport, NIN, or driver's license. But most people like to use either the NIN or the international passport. Then your utility bill, that is for KYC purposes. Your broker will then submit to CSCS. CSCS will generate a CHN number for you. That is within 24 to 72 hours. Your broker will give you a CHN slip as your validation. The best part is getting a CHN is free. You might only pay your broker a small account setup fee. It's normal, right? And for every broker, it differs. Now, what if in the future your broker vanishes? If your broker liquidates, your shares don't vanish. They are yours. Why? Because they are stored under your CHN in CSCS. All you need is to link your CHN to another broker by filling a simple transfer form. Within days, your portfolio would reflect in your new broker's system. Your investment continues as if nothing has happened. That's the beauty of the CHN. It protects you like the land registry protects your property. Feel me? Now, how do you transfer to a new broker? Confirm your CHN and holdings. That is via CSCS Investor Portal. I'll share some links at the end of this video. Pick a new reliable broker. Make sure you do your due diligence. Fill a CSCS transfer form. Your shares will be moved to a new broker in few days. I will even provide a sample email you can send to your new broker on the screen to make this process seamless for you. Now let me share a practical tip. Here is a short email that you can copy and paste to request a CHN transfer. Just include your ID. passport photograph, utility bill, within a few working days, your shares will show under your new broker's account. And the good thing about having your shares registered at the CSCS is that it is easily transferable. Even when a person dies, your children can easily inherit it, because when they go to that portal, they type in your name or they use your CHN to look for your name, they will get it and they can go claim your dividend or your shares. Your shares will show under your broker's account. So remember, your CHN is your stock market identity card. Without it, your investments are exposed. With it, your money is protected. Just think about it this way. If I'm not registered on CSCS and I don't have a CHN number, if anything happens to me today, my children cannot claim their inheritance via stocks. They may not even know that it exists. When I lost my dad, I went into the system. I used the link to look for his name on the system. You can't do that without having a CSCS. If he does not have a CSCS and he just buys shares, it may not be easily transferable. You get what I mean? With it, your money is protected, no matter the broker. If this video has helped you in any way, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to this channel for more easy to understand Nigerian finance tips. Don't forget, I'll be sharing the links to the CSCS right there in the description, and we are going to have a follow-up video, and the next video will be about how to recover your old Nigerian shares, especially for those of you in the UK, US, Canada. You've been asking a lot of questions about this, and I'm ready to put you through. So don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, because more is coming from where that came from. And if you want more videos about stock, investment, ETFs, businesses, please check my playlist. I'll see you in the next video.